Hello, welcome to a new art tutorial. Today we'll be doing a Procreate tutorial and I will show you how to draw a ice cream on a stick, and I'll show you with techniques in Procreate using the iPad Pro and the pencil. What I'm doing now is just drawing the outline of my painting, and then I will create a layer above that to do the rest of my finer detail work. And I'm just adding in my baseline color layer, which is a light pink, and I'm just using the monoline brush, which is already available in Procreate. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you like to see more Procreate tutorials and other art tutorials, and please also don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you know all my videos, and please also leave a comment down below about what you liked about this video and what other art tutorials you would like to see in the future. Now I'm just going to use the airbrush and another layer to create some light and dark areas to do a bit of an imprint on the ice cream. And I'm just using Gaussian blur, which you can find up top in the menu, and I am just adjusting the Gaussian blur per the layer so that it creates a more blended look with the light and dark shadows, as you can see here. And it's important to use an individual layer for each of these so that your Gaussian blur can be adjusted for each different light and shadow. I decided to change the ice cream to a full ice cream, so I just went over it with another layer top where the ice cream had been bitten. You don't have to do this, however, you can stick the original design or your own design. Now I'm just going to add in some cute eyes to make this ice cream more kawaii or more cute, and I'm just going to use my monoline brush, and by holding the pencil down you can get a straight or more circular circle, and you could also make it more symmetry by holding down your 3 fingers on the screen, swiping downwards. You can copy and paste like I am here, and just use the arrow to move it over to the other side.